Welcome to the shoulder and core series. First exercise is a cat-cow. This spinal mobility exercise is a nice gentle way to articulate each segment of the spine and warm up the scapular and shoulder muscles. Inhale as you arch the back and lift the chin. Exhale as you curl head towards chest and round the lower back. And press both hands hard into the floor to lift the chest up away from the ground. Then move into some rocks backwards and forwards. Again, press the hands firmly into the floor to activate the shoulder blade muscles. And we're rocking the hips backwards and forwards to help move the shoulder joint into flexion and extension. There's a nice gentle range of motion exercise for the shoulders and the lower back. The next exercise is bear crawls, which is a great stability exercise for the shoulders and scapula, as well as a good core control exercise. Here we need belly button drawing up towards spine, pelvic floor engaged, breathing all the way into the lower back, and pressing the hands firmly into the floor so that the chest lifts up away from the ground. When doing this, think about drawing length from the crown of the head back through the tailbone. Swimmers is a good core exercise for our posterior chain or the back muscles. Make sure that you're not doing this if you have any shoulder impingement or pain. Lie face down on the floor, long spine, and then lift opposite arm and leg with the belly button drawing into spine. Initially the head can be kept down and then lifted as a progression. We're inhaling on the up phase, exhaling as we lower. Ensure we're breathing into the lower back. A more challenging progression is with both shoulders and feet off the ground, but this should only be done if you are injury and pain free, as it is a challenging exercise for the body. Ensure in this position that the navel or lower belly is drawing to spine, you're breathing into the lower back and the chin is tucked, drawing length through the crown of the head all the way down out to the feet. Cobra is a nice back extension exercise, particularly if you have an injury to your lower lumbar disc. It articulates the spine into a back bend. Make sure you're just moving up to a range of movement that is comfortable and not painful. You're inhaling as you lift the chest, exhaling as you lower, pelvic floor lifting, belly to spine, breathing all the way into your lower stomach and back for 10 full repetitions. We then move to thread the needle, a nice thoracic mobility exercise. Inhaling as we reach hand up to the roof, exhaling as you thread underneath the other shoulder and bring that shoulder down towards the floor. You can use your neck and thoracic spine through their ranges of movement here by looking up to the top hand and then following with the chin all the way down underneath to the fingers. Foundation plank is an exercise to help with core control and stability. First, we're pressing forearms firmly to the ground as we lift the head, keeping the chin tucked and the back of the neck long, space under the skull. We're then breathing down into the lower back for 5 full breaths, drawing navel to spine, lifting the pelvic floor and inflating not only our lower back but also our lower belly. The 8-point plank is a progression on this with 8 points of contact through the hands, the elbows, the knees and the feet. We're pressing the chest up away from the floor, thinking about the chin tuck, long back of the neck, belly to spine. You should feel this around the abdomen and the chest. We're pressing our scapulae apart and breathing low for 10 full breaths.